Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bridal Falls Provincial Park, located just east of Chilliwack in the Fraser Valley of British Columbia. This popular park is home to one of the province's most recognizable waterfalls, where water cascades gracefully over smooth rock cliffs, creating the delicate appearance of a flowing bridal veil. Surrounded by lush coastal forest, the falls offer visitors a peaceful place to enjoy nature, photography, and a short but rewarding walk. Bridal Falls itself drops approximately 60 meters down a steep rock face. Unlike many waterfalls that plunge in a single stream, Bridal Falls spreads into countless ribbons of water as it descends. This unique flow is caused by the layered rock formations behind the falls, which allow the water to fan outward. During the spring and early summer, snowmelt from the nearby mountains increases the water volume, making the falls especially powerful and dramatic. The trail leading to the base of the falls is short but scenic, stretching roughly 1 kilometer round trip. Along the way, visitors pass through a beautiful forest of Douglas fir, western red cedar, and big leaf maple trees. Moss-covered rocks and fallen logs line the trail, creating a classic West Coast rainforest atmosphere. The steady climb includes steps and a gentle incline, making the destination accessible to most visitors. The park is located along what was once an important transportation corridor through the Fraser Valley. During the mid-19th century, the nearby Fraser River became a major route during the Fraser Canyon Gold Rush, which began in 1858. Thousands of prospectors traveled through the region, dramatically increasing settlement and development across British Columbia. While the falls themselves remained largely untouched, the surrounding valley transformed into farmland and transportation routes that shaped the region's growth. As visitors approach the viewing area near the base of the falls, the sound of rushing water becomes louder and more powerful. On warm days, the fine mist created by the falling water cools the surrounding air, offering a refreshing break from the summer heat. The spray also supports the growth of moisture-loving plants, including ferns, mosses, and lichens that thrive in the damp environment near the cliff face. Bridal Falls has long been a favorite destination for photographers and travelers. The falls are especially striking after heavy rainfall, when water volume increases and the veil-like effect becomes even more dramatic. In winter months, freezing temperatures can create beautiful ice formations along the rock face, transforming the waterfall into a frozen sculpture of shimmering icicles and layered ice sheets. Wildlife can often be spotted within the park and surrounding forests. Birds such as Steller's jays, woodpeckers, and chickadees are commonly seen among the trees. Small mammals, including squirrels and chipmunks, move through the undergrowth, while larger animals like black bears and deer inhabit the wider region. The Fraser Valley's mild climate plays a major role in shaping the environment around the falls. Abundant rainfall throughout the year supports dense vegetation and contributes to the steady flow of water that feeds the waterfall. Snowpack in the nearby coast mountains also supplies seasonal runoff, which helps maintain water levels during the warmer months. These natural cycles are essential to preserving the beauty and health of the waterfall ecosystem. Today, Bridal Falls Provincial Park remains one of the most visited natural attractions in the Chilliwack area. Its easy access from the Trans-Canada Highway makes it a popular stop for travelers exploring British Columbia's scenic landscapes. Whether visiting for a short rest, a family outing, or a peaceful nature walk, the falls continue to inspire visitors with their graceful beauty and timeless presence.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.